I'm sharing a couple of delicious snack ideas using Philadelphia cream cheese to level up your snack game. We have strawberry balsamic. Thank you so much to Philadelphia for sponsoring this video. One sweet, one savoury, depending on which way you lean towards. First, we're making this delicious sweet balsamic strawberry toast with creamy Philadelphia. To start with the balsamic strawberry toast, cut a thick slice of your favourite bread. I like to go with something crusty like this low-fi up here, but simple sandwich bread, brioche if you're feeling a little fancy, or even seed bread works perfectly. Alternatively, you can use crackers or wraps if you have those on hand instead. Put your slice or slices of bread into the toaster and put them down to get crispy. While the bread is toasting, we're going to work on the strawberries. You can use fresh here if they're in season, but if not, frozen works perfectly. Mine are pre-sliced and I've let them defrost, but a quick zap in the microwave works well. To your strawberries, add a few tablespoons of sugar. What we're doing here is macerating them, which is just a term to mean adding liquid or sugar, which will draw out the moisture of the strawberries, creating a kind of sweet strawberry sauce that will taste absolutely amazing. Next, to bring this up a level, we're going to add a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. You might think of balsamic as more of a kind of savoury ingredient, but I'm almost certain balsamic works better with sweet than savoury. Give it a try. Add the balsamic vinegar to the strawberries and sugar and use a spoon to give them a quick mix together. You can do this ahead of time and keep these in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, or about 5 minutes is all you need to get a good sauce. Your toast should have popped by now, so take it out and put it on a plate. Take your Philadelphia cream cheese and spread a really decent amount right to the edges of the toast. The Philadelphia is going to give such a creaminess and tang that pairs so perfectly with the strawberries and balsamic. You'll definitely be wanting another slice. Give the strawberries another quick mix. You'll notice they're really saucy now. Spoon a couple tablespoons over the toast, making sure you get a good amount of that sweet strawberry sauce. The toast is good to go now, but if you have some on hand, some fresh sweet basil works really well. The flavours of this toast are perfection, the creaminess and tang from the Philadelphia, the sweetness from the strawberries, and lastly the kick from the balsamic vinegar. It's such an amazing snack, or perfect for any time of day. Make the strawberries ahead of time and keep them in the fridge so you can whip this up anytime. Now onto the second snack we're making, these fresh and crunchy cucumber rolls. These are so quick and easy to make and they'll keep fresh, so perfect for taking with you when you're on the go. Start with a small bowl and add a 1/4 cup of your Philadelphia cream cheese. This is going to be smooth and creamy, which is perfect for something crunchy. It's all about texture here. Add about 1/2 cup of grated cheese, whichever type is your favourite, and a good cracking of fresh black pepper. No salt, as we'll be adding that last. Give the ingredients a good mix together until well combined and set to the side. This is the same as the strawberry toast. You can make this mixture and keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 days, so it's so quick and easy to use for snacks. Take your cucumber and cut it into 3 even sections, and each of those sections in half, so you have 6 pieces in total. This is a great amount for 2 to 3 people, but you can just halve it if you're making it for yourself. I love the crunchiness of the cucumber here, but you can also use celery sticks instead, which also have an amazing crunch, depends what flavour you prefer. Take each piece of cucumber and using a small teaspoon, scrape out the seeds so you have a hollow area in the centre, ready to fill up. Removing the seeds also takes a lot of the moisture, so these will keep fresh for a while. Take a piece of ham and place it into each of the cucumber pieces. Alternatively, you can use another type of cold meat that you would prefer, or even smoked salmon would work perfectly here with the Philadelphia. Take your bowl with the cream cheese filling and spoon it into the cucumber rolls, spreading it out evenly. Lastly, all that's left is to season. One of my favourites that works so well here is everything bagel seasoning, or if you don't have that on hand, some mixed sesame seeds and flaky sea salt. Give them a quick sprinkle and it's time to enjoy. These are so crunchy, fresh, fast and delicious. One of my favourite snacks as of late. Let me know which one is your favourite in the comments below, if you lean more towards sweet or savoury. Thank you so much to Philadelphia for sponsoring this video and inspiring me to come up with everyday new and delicious snack ideas. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.